Hey guys, I feel like it's been forever since I last did a full upload, like a whole horizontal YouTube video, but hello everyone. But in this video I have some nail tips from 5 Angels. So my initial collaboration with them was for TikTok, but if you follow me on there you'll see that I did a set using their coffin tips, and at that time they only had coffin, I believe. They recently came out with their square tips, which I'm super happy about because I was eyeing this brand and the only thing that stopped me from purchasing was the fact that they only had coffin tips. With coffin, I liked it back in the day, but for me square is where it's at for me anyway. But they have 2 different sizes of their square tips. They have the long and they have the short. For today's video I'm actually going to be using the long, but I'm going to show you how they both look. So this is how the short square is looking. I love the shape of these. Sometimes short square tips, they don't have a good shape to them, but I really like these. It kind of reminds me of the E-Nail Couture short tips, but I love these. And as you can see, they're half matte. And this is how the long square are looking. I'm hoping in the future they add an additional length, which is just slightly longer than this. So something I noticed with these tips is that they don't bend. Like, I've tried so hard to get it to bend and it just doesn't. Like, I'm sure somebody else could get it to bend, but when I put most of my effort in without, you know, trying to exert myself and hurt myself, they just won't bend. I'm going to be using the 5 Angels glue to adhere the nail tips. I love this stuff. I am going to be putting on a peel off base coat, but when I did that with my last set, they weirdly enough wouldn't come off. I kind of had to pry them off even with the peel off, so I'd be interested to see how this works without a peel off, but I might do that sometime in the future. But for today I am going to go in with a peel off base coat. I applied the rest of the tips off camera. I almost had like a perfect application, but I messed up on the middle finger. If you can see, like over here, there's a bubble, but it might actually work for the set that I'm trying to do. But next I'm gonna file around the cuticle area just to make it look a little bit cleaner. So I wanted to do koi fish nails over a clear nail, but I feel like I didn't apply them the best, and the fact that the nails are half matte, you can kind of see it above my natural nails and it kind of looks like an imperfection. There's also the numbers at the tip of the nail and I can never get this off like seamlessly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some chrome powder over top, then put these stickers on top. How I usually get chrome powder to stick and not be so bumpy and actually go on properly is I apply 1 layer of top coat and then I cure it. Then I go in with a paper towel with 90% alcohol and I just wipe the nail down. Once the nail dries, then I apply the chrome powder. I'm going to be using this chrome powder that I got from Amazon and I believe it's from Born Pretty. I'll have it in the description if I can find it. I am done applying all that chrome. I've top coated them all. I also did get rid of the numbers underneath, and then I top coated underneath to kind of hide the little scratch mark. So now I'm gonna add the stickers. I got these from Shein, and I'm actually gonna order a few more because I really do like these. I could have swore I ordered 2, but I could only find 1, but I'm definitely getting some more. I'm done applying the stickers. Now I'm gonna go over it with some top coat. So this is the finished result. Let me know what you guys think. I really do like these. I chose the green chrome powder because when I googled images of koi fish ponds, they're usually green, so I was like, I don't want this completely clear, but I don't want to polish. So I was like, some of the Aurora chromes might work, and I think it kind of works. But let me know what you guys think. Huge thank you to 5 Angels. I love their tips so much. If they get some longer ones, they'll literally be the only brand that I purchase from. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.